Aha, now it's correct. Now it's showing us what's available. No August 9 a.m. And the next available one is by 12:30. So there's a problem. I'm able to book 3 times for a crew of 2 people on August 31st, 9 a.m. So I don't know if that should work that way because of the status. As you can see, it did not work until it worked. It's about a mobile detailing company, right? So we're trying to build a booking system where a one owner, solopreneur, business owner has, different types of vehicles coming into their business daily, but they do not have a proper system in place to keep records, take track. And over time, this could be things that the business could track, right? We're talking of average hours a car comes into a business. Over time, the type of cars, the amount of time it takes. Customer must be able to choose a vehicle type, sedan, SUV, or truck. Okay. Choose one package and add optional extras. Enter their details. And they will be able to see the owner dashboard must show persisted appointments, expose useful appointment details, allow status changes, prevent overlapping booking because there's only one crew. I feel like changing this to there's only one crew sometime because it's a family business, remember? Because it's a family business. You just make it complicated. So we have 2 slots available. Yeah. Okay, that could work. Use SQLite. Okay, that's my background. Local created automation checks. Walk inside folder, API services, email. Okay, do not use external APIs. Okay, API keys. I mean, we can connect Stripe. Maybe for my next videos. Gonna stop at a plan build up. So what I'm also going to do with this is I'm going to run goal. Goal is a skill, like an inbuilt skill that both Claude and Codex has. What this does is, just like it says, set a goal to keep pursuing non-stop. I've not tested full access on Codex yet. That is why I use auto mode on Claude Code on the private sandbox. So that I'm cool with, and I like it the way it works. Like, if I need to even know how long this is going to take. Wait, how long is this going to take? This is just for a YouTube video, so I don't need you drifting on me. Yeah, it does this sometimes. It's an empty folder anyway, so before anything like got into it, oh yeah, sure you can see that I'm building from an empty folder, especially when it comes to booking appointments. You would want to use something of medium or high. Medium, the thing with medium with this kind of things is it will just do some silly things at random times you don't really expect, and you don't really want that. That just slows you down or messes with your project. So right now we are seeing it's opening a browser walkthrough. It's already creating a design for, it's already creating a design for the page. I haven't even, I like it. Not bad. Biongionio Familia. Everything the crew needs for a smooth day on the road. I like that. Let's get this closer this way. Well, let it finish. Let it finish because sometimes it will notice its own. Okay, wait. The phone pass found one genuine at the narrowest rendered widths. The dashboard status. Yeah, can you see that? It changed it. So sometimes I noticed whenever it's building something. So now it's bringing out the three options because we brought it. We mentioned it. It said I'll keep that but change for now. Use the image skill, Mediterranean, heritage, driveway, fiesta, lively, friendly neighborhood, quiet luxury garage. Okay, let me. I can see, I can see something in that garage. I can see something in that garage. Oh, look at that. Yeah. The first one. I like the first one. It's calm. It's relaxed. It's culture. It's beautiful. Oh God, can we do a mix of A and B? I won't spoil it. Let's do B. Let's do something fun. Let's do something fun. Let's go with B. One thing I just noticed is okay. I love the way it lights up with the car, right? One thing I noticed is it doesn't matter the type of car. The prices stay the same. I think the car type should matter. The prices for the car type should matter. Also, I think the prices for the car and throw in a bike category. All right. So now these people also clean your bike. Yeah. What was base rate? Let me see. Is it $20? Yo, Mr. Man, what is the base rate? Why did you give the others $20, $35, and base rates? How am I meant to know what the base rate is? With that being said, I also realized that motorbike would not be able to actually use we're already taking $20 off. Oh, they were even taking $20 off. Mine, I was like, why is minus plus? Oh, base rate. So you're not paying any. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Base rate meant the sedan pays the package price shown. It doesn't. Okay, my bad. Yeah, okay. Replace it with something clean. Jeez. For mobile bike, I'll allow express it. When I switch between book a detail and owner dashboard, there is this jerk. It takes me to the top of the screen again. I would prefer that the screen remains where it was before I switched over. Pretty much on the same line, I guess. I want to book it on a day with an appointment already, right? Let's do August 31st, Lucia. Let's do 9 a.m. or see what 9 a.m. You know what? Let's even see what it's going to show us. Available start times. Oh, I said I have 2 crews. Shush. Is that affected though? Okay, 2 families crew slots are available at a time. Okay, let's try it again. August 31st, 9 a.m. Let's try it again. Because it should say that spot is not available because my 2 family members. So there's a problem. I'm able to book 3 times for a crew of 2 people on August 31st, 9 a.m. So I don't know if that should work that way because of the status, the completed or the in progress. But I don't think, should that matter though? Yeah, because you can't have someone book more than 2 slots. So the 3rd booking should not have gone through, right? So let's work on the booking logics, making sure that, times and availability are checked, do you think it's a good idea to pull in the status as well? You know, should that affect the booking availability? All right. So let's see what it's been doing. The third booking should have been rejected. It's testing it out. It's running it. It's running it and it's trying to make sure that the booking works. The browser, the smooth scroll works. Okay. 21 checks pass. Yeah, root cause. I know it. Okay. Okay, the jerks cause when explicit scroll to top here. Status should matter, but only cancel should release the slots. Okay. Confirmed in progress and completed should continue to occupy the schedule. Okay, that makes sense. Because obviously if the time has passed, the time has passed. So only canceling it would take that out the way. Aha, now it's correct. Now it's showing us what's available. No August 9 a.m. And the next available one is by 12:30. Why is September 1st after 2 not available? Yes, sir. You have some explaining to do. August 1st, let's get back to why some dates are unavailable. Right, so taking last booking by 2. Even though we close by 6. What's the highest car we can? The longest car takes 3 hours, so 2 to 5. Okay. Do you think the booking should respect the type of car available? Because I can see the booking ends at 2 p.m. and obviously if a 3-hour car comes in, then the rest of the day is booked, right? But if it's a 1-hour car, there should still be some bookings at the back, So, I mean, in less than an hour, we're able to set up flyers, set up a booking dashboard, a booking system for, customers coming in. But things like this, the customer data and everything that you would use, I would say you should, always make sure it's stored in a secure cloud option. There's so many out there, or your private server or something. The interface should explain this much. All right, gotcha. Anyways, the point is it works and everything looks good, and I think that brings me to the end of this video. I would love to for sure, talk more about like the business and how it all comes together, and probably deploy it or something. But anyways, catch you guys in the next video.